Place your label roll onto the shaft using the inner core guide. Ensure the labels are unwinding to the left and secure them with the label roll holding plate. Feed the labels underneath the spindle and the brush and ensure they pass through the sensor. Feed the labels underneath the spindle and the rollers and over the dispensing beak. Ensure no excess labels are present on the waste backing material. Feed the waste backing material through the rollers and around the spindle. Feed the waste backing material over the two rollers, then underneath the large roller and back over the small roller. Secure the material with a large roller and feed it back underneath both rollers. Increase tension by adjusting the large roller. Wrap the material around the waste take-up spindle and secure using the clamp. Rotate the spindle to increase material tension. If the labels are too slack, tighten the brush and increase tension using the label roll holder. Always ensure the labels pass through the sensor. Connect your machine to the mains power supply and switch on. The machine will initiate a self-test and stop when the display indicates the words speed and format. When setting up new labels, press the down arrow until auto setup is displayed. Press the Enter key for alignment and press the Enter key again. For initial product position setup, the machine needs to be put into manual mode by pressing the Shift and Jog keys. With the machine in manual mode, place the product onto the rollers. If the rollers are too close together, remove the product and undo the handle to release the free spinning roller. Adjust the roller to the desired position, tighten the handle and replace the product. With the machine still in manual mode, bring the pressure arm down to the product. The roller needs to be positioned over the center of the product, not behind or in front of it. To adjust the roller position, loosen the handle and move the pressure arm until the roller is placed in the correct central alignment and re-tighten the handle. To begin applying labels, take the machine out of manual mode and into automatic mode by pressing the Shift and Jog keys. To switch sensors for applying a second label to the product, press the down arrow key until Maintenance menu is displayed. To access the Maintenance menu, press the plus and minus keys simultaneously. The Find Spot function will show on the display. Press the Enter key and a flashing cursor will appear. Press the plus key to select the Yes option and press Enter to confirm the setting. To exit the Maintenance menu, press the down arrow key until Exit is displayed. Then press the plus and minus keys simultaneously to access the user menu. The machine is now ready for installation of the second product labels. With your second labels installed, place the product on the rollers. Ensure the red dot sensor is not touching the first label and initiate the application with the pressure arm.